18 yuan for 2 chicken thighs, boneless clean. The butcher knew I tried to carry all the week on tired feet and still come home to cook for me. I rinse the meat, pat it dry, salt, sugar, pepper, soy, a sigh of flavors whispered, hold on tight, while mushrooms wake in golden light. The shiitake drinks the chicken soul, the sauce clings rich and warms me whole. One bite and I'm not tired anymore, just full and numb and wanting more. 3 bowls, I lose count how many this humble pot holds. Every love I didn't get to say today, but cooked it anyway. Ginger, garlic, scallion green, a red chili just to keep the edges sharp. The heart soft, true like you, still showing up for me. No fancy dish, no plated art, just steam and scent and a willing heart. And in this bowl so deep and warm, I find the peace I couldn't form. The shiitake drinks the chicken soul, the sauce clings rich and mends me whole. One bite and I'm not lost anymore, just here and held and wanting more. 3 bowls, I don't care who sees. This pot's my comfort, my remedies. The love I didn't speak out loud is steaming in this cloud. They say real joy is trips or gold, but I found mine in stories told through soy and smoke and chicken fat, the kind that knows you just like that. This isn't just a meal I make, it's every I'm okay. I didn't fake it, I'm still here though no one knew. I cooked it all for you and you. So the sauce clings rich and makes me whole. One bite and I'm not alone anymore, just loved and home and wanting more. 3 bowls, let the world keep spinning. I've got this pot and it's beginning to show me how to stay. Just cook and pray and stay.花18块，挑了2块鸡腿。老板说帮你取过没多少1毛钱。我洗净它，擦干水里子，想对待一个疲惫却不愿说累的人。樱糖、胡椒、生抽，再加1球边粉，锁住温柔，静置15分钟，让味道悄悄渗进每寸肉里，像骨吸饱了肉的吻，鸡肉嫩得像爱，入口就化了，像骨吸饱了肉的魂，鸡肉嫩得像爱，入口就化了，牵制 只裹着光，洪亮又深沉，一口下去，灵魂都颤了。下锅盖先响起扑面，连风都停下，说别走。这平凡夜晚啊，因你而发光，3碗饭都不够。下锅盖先响起扑面，连风都停下，手没走。风筝线在锅里慢慢晃，像你熬过的夜终于有了光。红蜡烛一扫，微蜡藏心上，是生活给的一点点倔强。没说想家，却煮了一锅香粥。没说累，可饭碗比心还空。这一口是沉默的拥抱，比任何情话如叹息。像锅吸饱了肉的魂，肌肉嫩的像爱，入口就化了。像不吸饱了肉的魂，肌肉嫩的像爱，入口就化了。像只裹着光，洪亮又深沉，一口下去，灵魂都颤了。下锅盖先响起扑面，连风都停下，说别走。这平凡夜晚啊，因你而发光，3碗饭都不够。是爱在回响。他们说幸福要旅行，要历史，要昂贵，我却在这一锅里尝到了整个故乡。可这滋味啊，比任何餐厅都绵长。因为我演的不是菜，是没人说出口的我在。那些没说的泪，都在慢火里熬成了香。那些没圆的梦，都在这口咸里慢慢海洋。像骨吸饱了肉的魂，肌肉嫩的像爱，入口就化了。像只裹着光，洪亮又深沉，一口下去，灵魂都颤了。下锅盖先响起扑面，连风都停下，说别走。这平凡夜晚啊，